Okay, we are live. What's up? I am back. I'm gonna keep working on the game as I was working on earlier. We are live on Twitch, YouTube, and Steam for the first time. So if you're watching on Steam, you can send me a message in the chat if you're watching. Let me know how the broadcast looks. I would really appreciate some feedback there. And yeah, I think the broadcast is appearing on the game page for the first time. I'm trying this. I didn't know how to set it up. This is the first time. I'm gonna be working on this thing. I was trying to figure out this thing that it's been lingering for a while now, about some of the experience points and how they work after killing some enemies, like defeating the enemies or anything like that. Yeah, I'm gonna be working on that. Do not forget to add Spaceman Memories to your wishlist wherever you are. Please add it on Steam. Also play the demo. Check out the demo. There's already a demo on the Steam page. Okay, let me see. So I was working. Yeah, let me just remind myself what I was trying to fix here. Yeah, so yeah, I've been working on those VFX. Yeah, I remember now. Okay, let me open up this one. Yeah, let me get the parent of this one. Yeah, so that persistence of data it's what I'm trying to tweak. We are saving right now the persistence of the enemy being defeated and the data being saved. Like let me show you here. Okay, let me yeah, let me get a quick reload of the last save game. So when we defeat one of the enemies, they do get added to the Yokanet, which is like the persistent computer where we save the data of the enemies we've encountered and defeated. It only saves if you defeat the enemy. If they are a hostile. If they are not a hostile, yeah, like this one's, like the friendly ones, you just need to talk to them and then it'll save the information here in the Yokanet. So yeah, that works as it should. The experience points is the system that I want to work on right now, because each enemy has a preset of XP that it can give you if you defeat it. I wanna, if you already defeated that specific enemy, because they're just gonna be in the same places, I don't want the player to be able to go and grind to keep, like, yeah, keep getting more XP from that same enemy, because it's gonna be too easy. So I could just set it as it gives you 1 XP or yeah, maybe, sure, no, maybe 1. We'll leave it at 1 if they're already defeated. Yeah, let's work on that. Let me understand, where is this getting set up? Yeah, so when we start event begin play, yeah, this is added to this list called persistent IDs, and if it's on the defeated ones of the persistent IDs, yeah, it's gonna destroy it. Swap some dialogue lines of some NPCs maybe. Yeah, let me figure out. Let me delete this comment. We don't need this run right now, or we do. Okay, yeah, I thought I had not saved this. Okay, let's get rid of this right now. Just like go back and track on what I was trying to fix. Okay, so this one adds it to, so we've got 2 lists, one that is saving it to the persistent IDs, another one that is saving it to the inventory. Yeah, maybe we could try to add, yeah, the persistent ID, yeah, to the inventory. Yeah, maybe. Okay, let me copy this node. And let me get the persistent ID. We're gonna set it here. Yeah, okay, there it is. That one. Yeah. Yeah. I think it adds one of it. Yeah. One amount of it. Okay. Now we added that. So if this ID it's added, that one should be saved, right? Which is this one? Let me check what is the persistent ID of this one. This one would be battle enemy 000. Yeah, it's the first one. Okay, so that one is gonna be saved now. Yeah, it's part of the one that are getting saved. So if that one is there, then on begin play, yeah, let's set the XP. Yeah, defeated XP. Let's see, maybe 2-0. Yeah. Let me see. Let's find the person ID. That one's here. I hope this one works. Maybe it could work, maybe not. We'll see. Okay, so if that one is bigger than 0, should be 1. It's just adding 1. Yeah, defeated XP. We're gonna set it at 0 right now, just as a placeholder. Let's see. Let's start from scratch. Let's test this. Let's see what's happening right now. Yeah, let's try the battle. Yeah, this is working as it should. We're good there. No bug. I was encountering a bug. I had added some node that completely broke the battle system earlier. So yeah, that is always happening. Okay, awesome. We are good there. Yeah, almost cooked. Yeah, one more hit and this guy is dead. Oh, I should have used the other one, the pulse shot. I think we can get rid of him with that one. No, not yet. That's gonna be 2 of those. Yeah, not enough. This one. Let's go. Okay, so now we've added that data right now for XP gained. Yeah. Let's go and see. Let's go and save. Let me try saving here. Okay, let's try a quick reload here. Okay, this one's defeated already. It is saved to memory. That is correct. Let's see what's happening now if the XP is the same one when we defeat this one. It's this bug. I don't know if it's a bug or a feature. It's been lingering for a couple months now. So yeah, I've been trying several ways of trying to get that one to work, and I just break stuff trying to fix that one. Okay, let's see if we can defeat this one. Oh, I fumbled the shot. I didn't expect, yeah. I didn't expect that to happen. I think, oh, one more. Hard to kill enemy. Yeah. Okay, finally, we are good. There it goes. Okay, it is fixed, I think. Let me see. That should fix it. Maybe yes, maybe no. Let me see. Okay, let's try a quick reload of another session. Because that was still persistent there, I think. Yeah. So let's try here on another session. Yeah. Let's try to kill it again. That worked, but that was still persisting on that same session. Let's see what happens on another instance of the game. Okay, let's hope it works. I'm expecting it works. I don't know. He may have tried to do this in the past, maybe not in this way, but I don't know why I had that idea of trying to convert the persistent ID, which is a string, to a name. Yeah, I hadn't thought about swapping those variables types. Okay. Yeah, this is the time when oh no, it's not working. No, so it works on the same session. Yeah, it works on the same session, but it doesn't work on different persistence sessions. Okay, at least we have a way to go. Okay, let me see. Quick reload. Let's make sure that enemy, it is saved to memory. That one is saved to memory. So that means, yeah. Let's check out this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that should already be saved. Yeah, but it's not doing. Yeah, it should be 1. The count of that persistent ID should be 1, because we added 1 on the previous defeat, and that one is the one that's getting saved. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah. Maybe, yeah, maybe. Let's add maybe it's happening too quick. I don't know. Maybe sometimes this happens in real engine. Some things, yeah, those race conditions happen too quickly. One or the other one, the data hasn't been like read. Let me see. Okay. The guy is saved. He is definitely saved. Yeah, yeah, this one is using 2 IDs. So maybe we will see. Let's try it again. Let's go from the top. Yeah, maybe it's that. It hasn't read that data. Oh, but it's getting destroyed. Yeah, let me see. Yeah. This actor is getting destroyed. I don't know if we're able to see that data in time. Or not. No. It should already be. Yes, have saved the data. Okay, one last hit. Yeah, hopefully. Okay, this one. There it is. Yes, the delay did it. Hell yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I was not wrong. That's cool. Yes, so the data wasn't being read quickly enough on the, yeah, coming from the save. So that's why, yeah, they didn't know if this one that was part of that persistent ID was part of that data that was already saved. Let's try it again. I am very excited. If this works, I am excited about this, because I hadn't thought about converting those variables, the string variable, the name variable to a string, the string variable to a name. Okay, let's do the quick reload. Okay, there it is. We are good there. So this would be a safe game where this one should already be defeated. So if we come back, try to kill him again, shouldn't give us the same XP because we are stronger. We should have leveled up already. Okay, let's hope it works. If it works this time, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is fixed. I am happy about it. We can move on to the next thing. Okay. Yeah, this is it. We'll know if it worked. Oh, I thought he was dead. Thought he was finally dead. Yeah, so the randomization of the damage. Damn. Missed that one. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, we're up truth. This works. Hell yeah. Yeah, this has been a very productive day, people. I've fixed and worked on stuff that I just had been procrastinating. Check it out. I had been procrastinating that. This fix XP on enemies saved into persistent memory. So I had tried. It may seem simple in retrospect. It seems simple, but I had tried other solutions that didn't make the trick. So I'm happy this did the trick. Yeah, it did the trick. Okay. So that means, yeah. So if it's defeated, gonna set it at defeated XP 1. Yeah, that is cool. Let me see. We're gonna set this one with a very low HP just for the sake of testing right now. I'm gonna leave it at 10. Make sure it's there. It is there. And now we change the XP to 1. It should give us the 1. Yeah. And I want to make sure it's all working on the data that gets passed back to the overworld. Okay, there we go. 1 XP gained. Hell yeah. 1 XP to reach next level. So how many XP did we have? 5. Okay, so we had 4. Now we have 5. This is working. Hell yeah. I am really happy that it's working. Okay. Let's try it with another one. Let's try it with this guy. I cannot recall how many XP this one. Okay, we'll just try it. We'll try to kill him one time and come back to kill him on the next session. Just, oh, quick attack. Yeah, I didn't hit the right timing. Okay, there we go. gonna recharge. This is a moment of truth. If this one also works and the data of both of them is getting saved as I expect, yeah, this is a good thing. I'm happy about this. I am liking those new effects. It's been a long journey to make the game look how it's looking currently, and it makes me happy. So I would have never expected to start looking as it ended up looking in terms of the battles and the graphics. Okay, 2 XP game. Okay, so this guy the next time should just give us 1. Yeah, so we should have 7 now. Hell yeah, we have the 7. Let me save that one there. And let's quit and try it again. So now we should have 7. And this guy should give us just 1. That just seemed like a very simple solution. I can't believe it. I just tried some other complex stuff. Yeah, of passing some data from one place to the other in a way that I shouldn't, and it was just so easy of changing the type of variable node and saving it to the same map variable I was saving the other persistent ones. Okay, we're stronger now. We are stronger. We leveled up, so I can see the stronger hits on this enemy. Hell yeah. 1 XP. 1 XP. So this is good. This is good. Okay, I'm happy. Let's save this. Yeah. That just makes this session already worth it. Yeah, it is very late where I live. It's almost 2 a.m. and I was like thinking, should I work? Should I keep working? Because yeah, I am not tired. I don't want to sleep right now because I've had really bad sleep in these last 2 days. And I overslept throughout the day. So I am not sleepy at all. And I was wondering if I should work or just go watch a movie. Just fixing this finally makes all of this worth it. Okay, let me see my list of to-dos. Let's see. Let me just check if the stream is working on. Yeah, it is working. We're good. It hasn't been easy to make it work on Steam, on the Steam website. So I'm happy. What's the developer play? Okay, no, I'm not playing. We are gonna fix that later, but at least this is getting sent to the signal is getting sent. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so what about yeah, let me think. Level space vessel. Yeah, let's check this one. There was some stuff that I hadn't fixed on this one. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I can see that the outlines are working. That has been fixed. Okay, so what I was trying to do is that this one should be able to reverse that movement. Yeah, let's see how we refactor that. Physics, yo, what's up, dude? What time is it where you are? Are you still on the other side of the world, my dude? Dude, it is late where I'm at. It's 2 a.m. I'm just insane. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing. I should be sleeping. I've been trying to fix my sleep. Yeah, it is It is what it is. What's up, dude? How's life? How's everything going? I hope you're having a good tropical weather. It's almost 4 p.m. here. Yeah, still in Philippines. What? Congratulations, dude. Physics got married. Congratulations, dude. Happy for you. How's the wife? Bye. Holy shit, I was in college and saw you here. What's up, dude? What's up, bye? Yeah, it's been a while, dude. Yeah, I am just insane, dude. This is not a time where I should be. I should be up. I should be sleeping. It's very late where I'm at, but I just had energy to work today and just figure out some interesting bugs that had been lingering on the game. What's up? How's life for you, Via? Physics, dude. Dude? How's the wife? How is this new life? Tell me more, dude. This is such an turns into such an interesting conversation. I says a while is an understatement. It is an understatement, dude. Finishing a game is not an easy feat, dude, and sometimes you just have to go radio silent, dude. Like, all the distractions of social media make the process too slow. So I am back because I feel I am finally close to the dots connecting to so I can finish the game. So I am back, dude. I am back on streaming and everything. I'll be posting some new content. So, but I had to take that time, dude, for myself to work in silence, just by myself with no external stimuli. Physics says married life is good. She's a great cook. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Did you meet her there? I'm happy, dude. I'm happy for you. This is amazing news. We're celebrating. This is your delayed bachelor party, dude. My stream. Congratulations, Physics. How long ago did you get married, dude? Dude, I would like to tell you one of these days when you come back to the stream and you ask me, how are you, nerdy? And I'll tell you, I got married. That would be really cool, dude, to tell you that. Vice says, man, sadly I am in college. I will have to go to class soon. Don't worry, dude. I'll be coming back next week. I'm not gonna be streaming on the weekends. It's too tiring. Gotta be smart about my energies for these next few months. But I'll be back next week, dude. All the weekdays. Physics says you met your wife online. Yeah, we got married last. That is so recent. Last week, dude. That is so recent. Congratulations, dude. I'm happy for you. So, are you working right now? You told me you were retired, right? Did you like how are you feeling about that retired life? How is it making you feel? Do you sometimes feel like you want to go back to work? So bye. Don't worry, bye. I'll be here next week, dude. Maybe one of these days you can catch me earlier. Because I'll be coming back to streaming. That would be really cool to keep chatting. So don't worry, dude. If you gotta go to class, don't worry. Okay. No, this is fixed. I had already fixed this. I just forgot I had fixed it. Let's go back to the other one. So now I'm thinking, so now that we are able to save the persistence of this, if these ones are already saved, we are gonna set them to unskippable falls. We should be able to skip that battle with that enemy. Yeah, so let me test that. Physics guys, I'm retired. It's good. I work on some personal coding projects, working on a programming language. Damn, dude. That is a big feat you're getting on. What is the vibe? What is the idea behind it? Tell me more, dude. What's the motivation behind it? Vice says, congratulations. Yeah, congratulations, dude. Big stuff. Okay, so this enemy is already saved to memory. Yes, it is. So I should finally be able to skip it, unlike how things were before. No, we cannot flee battle with this enemy, it says. Okay, so let's see. Unskippable should be set to false. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try to save it. Maybe it hasn't been added to memory. So let me try to defeat it. Try to save it again. Vice says, bro is cooking in his life. Dude, this guy's always been cooking. Like, no joke. Yeah, I know that physics has been cooking. I gotta lock in like physics, dude. Gotta fucking lock in physics. Like you get married and shit and go live on the other side of the world. What was the motivation behind deciding on making your programming language, dude? And that's gonna take long, right, dude? That is a long project, but very, very inspiring, nice. This type of projects shouldn't be lost to this age of AI. Now we're just thinking that a lot of things should be discarded, and we shouldn't try to build some kind of projects because things are more accessible. But I do think this type of crazy difficult projects are things that we should still be pursuing as humanity. Physics says it's a Lisp, general purpose. Yeah, I'm doing it to learn how to implement the language. I have some ideas like time travel features where you can undo, redo any action. Shit, dude. What's the syntax like? What is like the closest thing to the syntax of it? That the time travel features sound really, really cool, dude. So what's the syntax like? Okay, this guy got saved. Memory. Yeah. Let's save here. And let's do a quick reload. And let's see if we can skip the battle with this guy. Physics says def bar times 10. Okay. Let me see. Different function. Oh my god, dude. You're showing me the language. I'm too stupid for this physics. You know how I am, dude. I am a graphic designer, not an engineer. I'm a graphic designer turned guy that is trying to build stuff with Unreal Engine. Just like a normal Lisp syntax. Good stuff, dude. Yeah, I do not understand anything of it because my expertise, my skill set is not close to that. But that's good, dude. That's good. I am inspired by this type of story you're telling me. Yeah, retiring and trying to build your own language. That is some good shit. Vices, what are you testing though, nerdy? I haven't seen for a while. I'm testing right now some data persistence on enemies, dude. The XP, so you defeat enemies, they gave you XP, and I am changing the persistence of how the system works because you use certain things there with Unreal Engine called game instances. So the data persistence wasn't saving right the defeated enemies, so you couldn't collect the same type of XP on enemies that you already killed, which you shouldn't because you're leveling up, right? So it would be it makes it too easy for the player to just go back and kill the previous enemies you already had killed and just keep farming the XP. So that's what I'm trying to fix right now. Physics says it's called. Here, I'll send you a link on Discord to the source code. Okay, dude. I'm checking it out right now. I got the message. Okay. It's loading, dude. Yeah, I can see you are locked in, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, I can see. I don't know if you want to keep this private right now, so I'll not show it on stream. But if you want to make it public, I could show a bit of it. It's on you. This is your decision. Physics says okay. I read that one. Yeah, dude. I'm seeing it on the other monitor. Please let me know what's the vibe. I understand, totally understand if some things are still not to show. Because yeah, you can share. I don't mind. Hell yeah. Okay, let's check it out. This is physics. What physics is working on by or anyone else watching on Twitch, YouTube, and Steam. Because we're doing our first team stream this time. And this is the repo on GitHub for physics new programming language called HIT. Dude, you are locked in. Yeah, I can see. Dude, this is some shit that I do not understand, but it makes me pumped. This is some complex shit. Dude, you are smart as fuck. Yeah, props to you, physics, for being using your time as a retired man for this, dude. It's really, really cool. Happy for you, dude. Thank you for sharing, dude. I hope to see more of it, and I hope a lot of people end up using the language and it helps a lot of people build cool stuff, dude. Yeah, that's really, really good. Okay, is this okay? I was checking the stream. Yeah, we're good. The stream is good. Yeah, I was just concerned because I thought that there was some issue with the bitrate, but no, it's good. I think we are good. Yo, so that's crazy physics. Good stuff, dude. What does the wife think of the projects? Physics says, thanks, man. It's been a lot of fun. I can imagine it's been a lot of fun, dude. Like just having that intrinsic motivation, dude, of not having a boss or clients to respond to, just having the passion of building a project like this one. Like, I'm gonna build a programming language, right? Vi says, anyways, brothers and sisters, I gotta go to my class. Bye, take care of yourselves, everyone. Thank you, Vi, for coming to the stream, dude. I hope to see you soon. Appreciate it. Physics says, no way I used in the code, only used AI to help me write the readme. Yeah, dude, that I know, because we've talked in the past. I know you have the expertise for this kind of things to write it by hand. And also, dude, it's fun to write things by hand. It's also fun, dude, to sometimes go and vibe code some just for fun stuff, right? But it is also good, dude, to not lose that ability to write things. Yeah, no, yeah, dude, to write things by hand. It's something that we should definitely not lose. Physics says, your wife, she likes the language. She's not an engineer, but she can see how excited I am about it. So living the life, dude. Yeah, couple goals. That is really, really cool, dude, that she understands what you're doing. Like, maybe not technically, because everyone has different type of professions, right? But that makes it really cool, dude, having that support. Dude, this is some kind of movie type of stuff, dude. You're getting a new wife, living in the other side of the world, starting a new programming language. Dude, you are locked in. Yeah, what have you been doing, dude, besides the language? Do you go on like boats and stuff? What is the fun stuff that you do on the weekends where you live? Okay, let's see. This one. The persistence of the XP is working. It's the unskippable now that it's not working. Okay, so let's see. Where is that? Yeah. Yeah. It's not that one. Yeah, I am using another variable for that. It's not that one. So if this one, yeah, so yeah, let's try that now. I think, yeah, I was using two variables. I remember I was using two variables for that, the unskippable. I was calling it boss at some point, but it doesn't necessarily will be a boss. So let me see. Let's reload. Physics says in YouTube, I did a trip to Manila recently. Been working on my Emacs config a lot too. Was focused on the wedding for a while. We'll probably do a trip to a nice island here soon. Blue, clear water and white sands. I've been to a couple blue, clear water and white sands islands here in Honduras, and it's really nice, dude. Yeah, It's really, really nice. I know in that side of the Pacific, not this one, you can find that type of sand, like white sand beaches, and it's just crazy spiritual experience, I would say, dude. Also the Emacs. Yeah, dude. You're always talking about the difficult stuff that I know what Emacs is. I know what's behind it and everything, but yeah, dude, it's just beyond things that are beyond my comprehension. Okay, let me see. Unskippable. Let me see the references of this. So where am I setting this one? Let me see. Yeah, let me see. Or I think it's on the game instance. No, not this one. Yeah, I think it's on the main game instance. Let me see. Yeah, the enemy variables. Okay, enemy is boss. Okay, so if enemy, if they're unskippable, set to false. Yeah, enemy is boss false. I think that is, yeah, that does the trick. Yeah, I remember it. Yeah, I was using those variables. Let's see if it works. Have you been to the States recently, Physics? Have you got back, like on a short trip? No, not yet. Okay, let me see. Okay, so, oh no, I didn't even reload. Yeah, let's do a quick reload. Physics says, no, I haven't been back. It's too expensive there. It is. The US is just another universe, dude. Like economic wise, like the difference in salaries and the cost of things is just insane, dude. Yeah, there it is. That persistence is working. That is fixed. Hell yeah, we are good. We are good. Houston, we do not have a problem. Dude, those were some bugs. I had just procrastinated for a long time, so that is good. We figured them out. You've been here for 11 months. I know, dude. I know. We talked earlier this year, right around March, I think. And you told me you were already there. I think around March. I already knew you were there in the Philippines. But yeah, dude. Yeah, going back to the US just to visit or anything, it's expensive. I can imagine. And I imagine, dude, living the lives there in the Pacific and stuff. It's too draining, right, to go back to the crazy life of the US. So yeah, dude, I get it. I totally get it. Let me see. I am gonna fix this one. I want to see, like, how is that one? Yeah, let's fix these trees here. Yeah, that blind spot there, we'll get rid of that blind spot. Maybe we'll do 4 of this. Just move it here. Yeah, so it's still this. Oh no, but I'm losing the shadow. Yeah, I think I had that one because of the shadow. Success. Yeah, it's so different here. People are actually nice. It's super safe. The cost of living is so cheap. It is cheap, dude. The cost of living in the rest of the world. And yeah, the vibe of people must be different, right, dude? Yeah. I would just say, and I may just be mistaken, people are entitled to their own opinions. I would just say that there's a lot of nice people in the US, but they get lost in the noise of politics. Like, people get so polarized and everything, and black and white opinions and shit, and that's what makes the place feel so polarized. Basic says, I went to go to see a doctor the other day and paid $8 with no insurance. Yeah, it's like that here too. In the US, you pay like $300 a month for insurance and 50 when you go to see the doctor, and you have to cover the lowest, what's the term for that thing, like the lowest amount that you should spend until the insurance starts to pay for the stuff that you spent, right? Yeah, it's crazy, dude. Yeah, I think that's the craziest thing about the US, the health stuff, health cost. Yeah, the deductible. Yeah, you gotta go above the deductible to the insurance to even start helping you with your stuff. So yeah, dude, it's just insane, dude. I don't know how did the US society ended up like this in terms of health, because even here in the third world, it is very imperfect. The health is very imperfect, but if you have a job, you can pay for basic private health. You're not gonna have to pay $300 a month for insurance that isn't gonna cover for shit. You can really go to doctors that are gonna charge you $15. Yeah, if you are feeling bad the day, they're gonna charge you $15. And yeah, that is very much true. Okay, did we save the persistence of this one? Okay, let me try this again. I can remember if I saved. Let's see, quick reload. Let's see which one is saved to memory. Okay, this one is not saved to memory. Let's try to save it to memory. The kappa is saved to memory, so we should be able to skip it. The success, we get a lot of people here coming from Australia to do surgeries or other medical procedures. Yeah, really cheap. Yeah, just like here, dude, we get a lot of Honduran nationals come back to Honduras like in Christmas or in holiday summer. They come back to Honduras just to get the dental stuff made, any dental treatment here, because it's impossible to get it in the US because of the cost. It's like too insane. And here it's manageable. Yeah, you can get good dental care for manageable prices here. Like, it's not out of you would have to be really low income to not be able to go to a dentist here. But if you have a kind of decent job, you can go to a dentist. You don't have to be wealthy like in the US. People in the US just procrastinate this type of things, like going to the dentist, right, and stuff, because it's so expensive. Okay, we're gonna defeat this guy so we can save him to memory and see if the unskippable thing is working along with the XP. The success, yeah, last year I did a full deep dental cleaning for 15 here. Yeah, dude, that's even cheaper than here. I would say you could get it here in some places for 25 to 50 bucks. So that's even cheaper. I suppose in the US you cannot get a deep dental cleaning for 15 or 25 bucks in nowhere. That's why dentists are one of the wealthiest professions in the US, right? It's crazy, dude. It's just crazy. Okay, let's get rid of this guy so we can save him to memory. Okay, almost there. Damn, I thought he was cooked. It wasn't. Okay, 2 XP gained. Next time he should give me just 1, or I should be able to skip. Let's go and save. Okay. Yeah, 6. Yeah, he's saved to memory. Let's do the quick reload. Physics says the US it's like 300 per quadrant, so you pay like 1200 for everything. With insurance it's like $800. Just insane, dude. Like, how can people like pay for that, dude? Yeah, hell yeah, this is working. That bug got squashed. Damn. Yeah, it had been a while since I had it's so crazy, dude. The least expected day you end up finding the solution to a bug in a way that you didn't expect to find it. Okay. Okay, she's gonna kill me, and I just want to make sure she's not getting saved to that new persistent system we're using. Yeah. What? Why? Oh yeah, I left her at level 1. Dude, it's good that I came back here. Yeah, just that enemy should not be level 1. I could have forgotten that. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, she is level 9, and also the HP of this guy, we should get it back to, what was the HP? Yeah, dude, so healthcare in the US is just an insane kind of thing that I don't know what happened, dude. It was like decades of erosion of that system and people just being silent of that system eroding until now it's just impossible to get rid of it, right? And the corruption of it with the insurance companies and everything, it just got out of hand in a way that people wouldn't have expected 100 years ago, right? What was the HP of this guy? I cannot remember. I must have it there in some place. Yeah, I could check it in one of the previous commits. I'll leave it at 40. And let's check the spider. Yeah, let me check the spider just to make sure. Yeah, it's not getting saved to memory, that one, unlike the other ones that we do need to save to memory. Okay, there we go. She should be hard to kill or impossible right now at level 1. Yeah, there we go. There she is. She cooked me. Almost. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's go back. This guy, I should be able to skip him. Yes, this is working. Yeah, we are so back. We are so back. Let me see. Yeah, there she is. Yeah, that is good. I'm gonna let her kill me again. Just go back and see the inventory, so I'm sure she's not getting saved in any way to that persistent memory. Just she cannot be saved until I kill her. Okay, there we go. Okay. Right now she has been added to that persistent memory. Okay, but here it gets back to the save game. Yeah, so you can just see her. Yeah, no, it's good. We are fine. Yeah, that data got... Okay, let me try it again. So I want to see what happens if I go to the main menu. That data has been kept. Okay, no, we cannot flee. This one. Okay, there it is. Let me go try. Okay, she's now in memory. Yeah, right now it should. Yeah, let's try to continue. And on this, yeah, we are good. All good. Hell yeah. We are gonna save here. Yo, what time is it? What? What is this? It's the pause menu. Which widget is this one? Oh, attack card widget. We're gonna make this one's validated. Gets. Yeah. Yeah. Only if they are valid. Okay, yeah, get all widgets and flash. Yeah, that one. Physics says, alright man, I gotta head out, gonna meet some friends at the mall in a bit. Hell yeah, dude. Have a fun Saturday, dude. It was really nice to talk to you. Know that you're well, you're alive and well, healthy, living the new married life. Good for you, dude. Enjoy it and enjoy your life, and I hope everything goes well with the programming language. Hope to see you soon in one of the other streams. I'll be coming back, be more consistent and everything, so we can keep talking any day. Yeah, it was good to see you here. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm happy to be back, and I hope to lock in. Thank you, dude. Have a good rest of your weekend. Appreciate it, dude. Shout out to physics in the other side of the world. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me think here. If it's valid, chat focus. Okay, we're gonna do this one here. Okay, yeah, both can go to the add output. Okay, we are good there. Yeah, I want to see what's up with this bug, if it's not happening. Okay, yeah, that one's broken now. No, let me see. Let's undo. Okay, let's see that one. Do I have the log here? Yeah, let me see what's up. There was that error. Yeah, here it is. What was the error? Blueprint runtime error, access none, trying to read property cards widget. Set focus graph, focus attack function. Yeah, so we gotta be inside a battle. Yeah, to do this one. Yeah, so this one didn't even exist. Focus on attack. Where is that one? Okay, so where was that function? Oh, this is a graph, it's not a function. Find references. Okay, here it is. Added by me, this focus and attack button back from pause. But yeah, I've got the condition set. That is correct. Yeah, I don't know what that bug happened then. Yeah, let's try that again. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, this one shouldn't be happening. Yeah, I found a new one. Yeah, I had not encountered this one. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Let's debug this one. Okay, so it's been an hour. It's been cool. I was trying to test the stream on Steam for the first time. Wanted to take advantage of the time that I had tonight. I think I'll be going to sleep soon. I'll be coming back on Monday. But yeah, this has been a lot of fun. It was good because I was able to figure out some stuff that had been lingering for a while. Okay, let me analyze this error. Access non-transferred property card widget. Okay. Why none? It exists. It does exist. Okay, let's separate it then. We're gonna do this one. Okay, so if that one is not valid, we should try this one, right? Yeah. No. I can select the card. I just cannot move to the other cards after coming back from the pause. This one works. Yeah, this one works. Uh, this works. It's only if I try this. Okay. Yeah, it gets focused on the widget. Okay, no more error. The error is gone. Yeah, at least we got rid of that error. Yeah, the validated get fixed it. So now, yeah, let me analyze this. W battle. Yeah. Card hand. Okay, here it is. So from card hand, maybe I can get something else. Card widget. Get. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Let me analyze that one to see how it works. Card gameplay widgets. Card hand. Okay. Selected card. Okay. No. No. Let me see. Okay, so here, card, and Tesla Ticks, my dude. What's up, dude? How's life? What hard programming stuff have you been working on, dude? It's been a long time, Tesla Tick. How is life, dude? I hope you are very, very well. How's the weather up there in Russia? Dude, good to see you, dude. Thank you for coming to the stream. What time is it where you're at? It's late here. It's 2:40 a.m. I'm just insane. I just came back to streaming 3 days ago, so I've been feeling inspired. Okay. What's up, dude? Tell me everything. Tell me everything about your life. I'm just trying to fix some stuff here. Okay, let me see. Select. No, that's a function. Get selected card. Okay. What about now? So, yeah, no. Card widget. Oh no, this is card widget, not card hand. I'm stupid. No, okay, no, maybe I can get card hand. Yeah, and from this one, get selected card, and then focus on that one. Yeah, maybe this does the trick. I think this is it. Tesla says on Twitch, I'm good. Nice to see you. Don't abandon your project. Never, dude. Never. I may go silent in social media, but I just keep working, dude. sometimes I work a lot. There are months in which I work a lot. There are months in which I work a little, but I never stop working. It's too much of a big dream to give up at this point. I'm finishing this game this year, releasing it this year. Yeah, I just go silent, dude. It may just seem like I'm dead in social media, but I'm not. It's good I'm not dead. It's good you're also not dead. We're all alive. And what about you, dude? What are you working on in these days? Okay, we're gonna convert this one to the validated get. Let's see. Okay, set focus on selected card. Okay, it keeps the focus. I just lose the ability to move from one card to the other one. Yeah, so I get it, Teslatic, that it may look like sometimes I am dead. But I am not, dude. I am not. I'm happy to not be dead. Okay, at least we got rid of the error. That is not gonna happen to the players. They're not getting that error. This is a bug, but at least it's not an engine error. Okay, so if that one, okay, let me try this. Just yeah, I'm doing that validated get, yeah, before that one, and no, that only happens if that one is valid. Okay, give me a sec. We are banning this bot. Teslatic says I'm not doing anything specific at this point of space and time. Just some libraries for some programming language. I knew it. I knew you were doing some difficult stuff. Yeah, which programming language are you working on? Yeah, I knew it, dude. Yeah. I am also here in this space and time trying to finish this game. Okay. This bot getting booted. Goodbye. Yeah, dude. You know how it is. Okay. The bug is fixed. Hell yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is good. I hadn't encountered that one, so it's good I encountered it here on the stream, and we are fixing it. We're locked in. Fuck yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we gotta think about the other one. So if this one is okay, so we're not doing. So maybe if that one isn't valid, this one should be valid, and we should be able to go back to the other button. That's what it says. Oh, now you added cards. Looks nice. Yeah, dude. I released the demo on February. Got the feedback of that playtesting of people trying the game, and yeah, it felt too simplistic. People were not wrong. We've got a lot of new stuff, dude. We've got this scanner, we've got cards, loadouts, a lot of new stuff, dude, that wasn't there in the demo on February. So yeah, just trying to make the game better. Yeah, there's some accuracy system, like you select the card and then the action doesn't happen just automatically. The timing has to be right on that system. So thank you, dude. I appreciate you saying it looks nice. Okay, let's try pause button. Okay, this one's broken now. Okay, so we just swapped one bug for the other one. Okay, there it is. I knew it. Set focus on attack. Yeah, I knew it. But at least we know what's happening. Yeah, dude. So I had to add. I had to add a system to add variety to the battles. Ended up deciding on cards. It is not a deck builder per se. but the cards gives you a bit of randomization and options on the battles. Definitely not a deck builder. May look like it visually to some people, but cards are older than that genre per se, and there's been JRPGs with that in the past. Teslatic says the game looks really robust now. Thank you, dude. Thank you. It has not been an easy beat to start for the game to start looking so it looks decent. I remember it last year, dude. It wasn't in a good state. But that's the process, right? You gotta keep polishing and polishing and polishing. I know it still needs work and everything, but I can finally feel, dude. I can finally feel in my bones, inside of me, that I am able to finish it, and it's a full product that makes sense. So yeah, dude, that's how it is. That's how it is. I'm happy to see you back, dude. How's the weather where you're at? Is it cold? It is hot here, dude. We're in the middle of summer and we're not getting any rain of any type. We're running out of water in our cities. Yeah. So I hope where you're at, things are good. Yeah, let me think about this one. So we got the widget. Yeah, so if card hand is valid, yeah, we're gonna focus on selected card. Good card hand. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking here. Yeah, because we fixed one. No, it cannot be that one. Okay, this one is valid. Yeah, we're gonna do that there. So yeah, because both can be valid. Yeah, I see the problem now. Okay, let me test it again. The one that's broken now, it's this one. Yeah, that's where it gets broken. It's not the cards now. Yo, Tesla Tick. Let me read your message. You have some friends in Europe and Asia. They saying the same. Yeah. Bad summer, dude. Bad summer. No water and shit. Yeah, it's really how over there. But luckily, in my city, it's just 26 Celsius. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's extremely hot where I'm at, but the city is running out of water, and that is problematic. Yeah, dude, we need the rain urgently. We definitely need the rain. What programming language have you been working, building libraries for, dude? Okay. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. This is cool. We are good with that. Okay. Let's save here. That one. If that it gets all the widgets. The card hand is valid. So it sets it to the selected card. What if we do it in sequence? This is just insane. Yeah, I know this is not gonna work, but fuck it. We can break shit. It's fine. Okay. Okay, that works. That was the fix. It didn't look like the fucking fix, but that was the fix. Teslatic says C is C++ and X, nothing fancy. Shut up, dude. It is fancy. Knowing those languages in this time and age, dude, with all of the rise of AI and people being less knowledgeable about what they're doing. Knowing C, C++, and this other Hakes one is fancy. So, yeah, dude. Teslatic says, yo, the menu is really good. Oh, you're talking about this one? Dude, we've got menus and shit. Let me show you the inventory and everything. Yeah, things have changed in Spaceman Memories, dude. Check it out. We've got inventory, weapons, items, stats, the quest log, the memories you've collected. This is like a Pokédex of the spirits you've already defeated. So yeah, dude, the game has improved. It's been a slow process. It may seem like, oh, Nerdy must have given up because he doesn't say shit in the internet. But yeah, dude, we keep going. We keep going just like you. Okay, so that was the fix. I didn't think that graph was gonna be the fix, but check it out. That is the fix. Yeah, we got rid of that bug. Let me select that. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, that was the fix. Hell yeah. Okay, so I think with that fixed, I can go to sleep in peace. It's late, dude. I'm just insane. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I just squashed some of the most important bugs that I have had to squash in this last few weeks or months even. So this was a really good session. We were able to test get rid of those bugs. Finally test the stream on Steam for the first time. If you're watching on Steam, yeah, please add the game to your wishlist wherever you're watching, wherever you are. If you're on YouTube, Steam, Twitch, please add Spaceman Memories to your wishlist. I am gonna link. What the fuck? Okay, there's an error there. It's working, but there's an error. We're gonna fix it. Teslatic, thank you for the wishlist, dude. So for anyone that hasn't added it, there you go. There you have the link in the chat. Yeah, an hour and a half. I think we are gonna call it a night. This is my second stream of the day. I did already 3 hours and a half, I think, earlier. I stopped and I came back, so it's gonna be like 5 hours already. I need to chill and go to sleep. This was a lot of fun. Teslatic, my dude, thank you for coming, dude. Please, dude, if you are working on anything that's interesting, please post it on the Discord. I would really appreciate to still keep seeing your work. I am gonna revive the community, so it'd be really cool to see more of your work. Thank you, dude. Thank you for coming to the stream. I am happy you're good, everything is well in your life, and I hope to see you back here on the stream. So for anyone else watching, thank you for watching. If you were just lurking, that means a lot too. I appreciate it. Hit me up with the follow or the subscribe. We're gonna leave this here, and good night or good morning or afternoon wherever you are. It's a very good late good night for me. Yeah, Tesla ticks. Nice. Yeah, thank you, dude. Thanks. Have a good night. Yeah, or day for you. Bye-bye, dude. Thanks. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.